I have worked with legendary actors in Hollywood. I've tracked lions across Africa. But now, the most compelling story I've ever pursued is on your plate. More than 30 years behind a camera, continents, wildlife, extraordinary human beings. My wife was my producer, my partner in every sense. And then, one question changed everything. Where does this dish actually come from? This is not yet another cooking channel. This is a journey. We don't just follow the recipes, we follow the origins, the conquests, the encounters, the desperate migrations that put the food you love in front of you. The world's most beloved dishes are now captured with high-end cinematography, slow motion and macro lenses that make every fold, every simmer, every transformation visible in ways you never see when you cook yourself. Join us in the Tasty Cinema, where every dish has a history. We just forgot to tell it.